Hey guys, Sanborn. So I've been reading comment sections of posts Mzansi Magic about Inimba, and people are blaming Uposha about this whole situation and him being at risk of being fired because Ulwandle uzama umphina ngecala ngalenzanga. So and I'm like, mina, I understand what Uposha is doing. Yeah, imove engcolile leyana because she should be telling the truth in the first place. But you decide to tell gold information from Mawethu. Even when Mawethu mbuza ukuthi Uposha, what is happening here? But not such information again. I understand it, and I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before continuing with the video, I would like to request you guys to like and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let's quickly get back to it. So what is happening here is that Uposha is working in Khusela Tech. Now, since she's working in Khusela Tech, she's not allowed to share information about Basezondo Tech, which is Umawethu. Umawethu pina be boyfriend yakhe. No Mawethu, same situation now. So now we can't be expecting Uposha to such information. I told her, you know, one thing that she did wrong, because I think maybe if we would need a relationship in Yasemban, Uposha can say, hey baby, something happened and ngiyakutshela ngifuna ukuthi le information le uyithathe utholakala ukuthi uyithathe kumina, because akho umuntu bezokwazi ukuthi uPosha utshele uMawethu about this whole thing. But bemela amtshele the moment she notices ukuthi uLwandle is the mole, bemela hambe uMawethu, babe, please don't tell anyone ukuthi uzwe ngami yonke lento lena, uLwandle is the mole. And then uMawethu was going to be able to act there and then uLwandle abanjwe. But I decided to okay, angifuni ukuthi kube nama conflict of interest, but mina ngithatha information okusela Tech ngihambise Zondo Tech. Just imagine now the whole relationship is engcupheni, because the minute Mawethu finds out ukuthi Uposha knew about this whole thing, even worse, Uposha uyena was sent by Lazarus to get back i-Afrobeats lapha eKhusela Tech. So ishubile. I don't want to lie, I'm enjoying this recent plot on Inimba, and bengifuna nje uprotect Uposha because I'm seeing with everyone now uyamlwisa ukuthi why you knew Uposha. I mean, Posha ngani yami ngiyaka-understand. I totally understand. And angazi mhlawumbe ngaba wrong, so comment on the comment section, ladies and gentlemen, nicabangani about this whole situation Uposha noMawethu and their relationship. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even not TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.